bulk trash day. Why not?
Yeah, why not? Free money. Kid.
Oh yeah. This looked nicer from the road. Now I could take that for scrap. I mean, this is all scrap metal right here I could take. But I did not bring the trailer with me, and we're gonna be taking stuff I can resell or we can reuse ourselves. I'm reserving the bed of the truck just for that stuff. Driving by, I saw some sawhorses, and that looks like a Harbor Freight box. Always a sucker for tools. That's freaking cool. Dude, look at that. Big old biscuit. Yeah, it's like missing the piece that holds it together. That's freaking cool though. Tempting.
TikTok guy.
Hey!
Oh, man.
Doing good. Fuck. So that guy goes, hey, TikTok guy. This thing is vintage. Look at that. Look at that for Buffalo people. WGR, WBEN, WKBW. Could all gather around the radio at night, listen to a program. Stromberg Carlson. That's some old stuff. 420-L. Manufactured in Rochester, New York. Look at these little bub toys.
I think this is the kind that makes bubbles.
Oh.
Yeah, see the little...
Yeah. What's this? 10 foot by 30 inch. Huh. Oh, it's a pool. Huh. And there's the pump. I'll leave this together if somebody wants to do a pool project. Could scrap it though. Alright, we said this one was worth a look. What? The Gulf Fisherman. What do you just throw it in and drag it through the mud or something? Okay, cool. Taking that. Most definitely a basement clean out here. Whoa. Jumper box. Trickle charger. Sprinkler. Whoa. No, it's still in its casing. This is like horse riding stuff. It's like a nice helmet. Whoa, we got a CD collection. Wow. Somebody burned all these? This one's really tempting. This eBay listing might get flagged though. It's all jazz stuff. Dude, some jazz person would go nuts over this. Alright, if you're a jazz head, let me know about this. Whoa, somebody's getting rid of all these bikes, dude. All pretty busted. Looks like they've been sitting in the backyard somewhere. Take these fuse boxes though. That's some copper. Whoa, that is like fuse box, like legit old fuses, man. This might even, like, you'd think I'm crazy for saying this. Something like this might have resale value, but like people with old houses, like they don't make this scrap anymore, so somebody might pay 50 bucks for something like this. Oh, what is that? Jeez. keep telling her to take the camera, but she just gets so excited.
Yeah.
Saw this extension cord. This is all like busted up printers. Dude, it's a Hoover. It's a freaking Hoover. What we got? What is that? Old DirecTV box. Actually, not that old. Oh yeah, old baby. Black Rock Beverages. Some people are obsessed with old bottles like this. And on this, some of these old vacuums like this have resale value. And the cord itself, that's 40 cents a pound. Look at these boots. I mean, those are nice kids' boots. We'll donate them. That's interesting. What could they possibly be using this for?
What is this?
It's for you. I want you to have it.
Supposed to do for solid peas.
Yeah. Vampires. Air fryers, 2 of them. Right? Or no, these are ice machines. Dude, there's so much cottonwood, it looks like it's been snowing here. Got pans. Let's take some pans. That's some aluminum. That's some aluminum. God, man, this is like an arsenal. Oh, got a Uzi. This looks so new. Like there's not a scratch on it. Tons of pans in here. Driving by and I see this thing. Freaking locked toolbox. Oh, there's... Oh, okay. Well... It's still... That... I've never seen a wrench like this. It's actually made in Buffalo, New York. Keystone Manufacturing Group. Whoa! Freaking old cleavers? We gotta go give Aaron a scare though. There's actually a second toolbox on top here. I think it's funny that they're locked, or they were locked.
put my garbage out. We pick up people's garbage.
Yeah. Yeah, this is how we go shopping every year. Yeah. Yeah, it goes quick. Yeah, that's like that might be bronze, so I'll take that. When you find trophies like this, the tops are almost always cast zinc, and that's like 30-40 cents a pound. If you feel like taking them apart, there might be some bronze copper bits in there too. And if that is bronze, this thing's like 3-4 pounds, so that's like 10 bucks right there. A hot water tank. So I'm probably getting a lot of crap for not taking scrap metal, because I usually do, but I'm reserving the truck for like resale stuff we might use, and I know that some scrapper's gonna stop and get this, so I don't have to worry about that. Dude, I hear golf stuff in here. Hey, anybody need some tees? Golf balls. I guess this guy was a good golfer. Dude, it's like a beer pouch. That's cool. That's the good stuff right here. That looks brass. That's a big mirror, man. This is like old stuff. Erin says she wants this wreath. It's probably the dustiest thing that's ever dusted. Treasure trashed. Oh yeah. Look at that guy. Got lots of different wood. I like how they merchandised all this stuff. That's cool. Dude, look at all this stuff just sitting here. Whoa. Like the whole front of the house is filled with stuff. You know, they're not at the curb though, so you know, who knows if they're part of this. I'm hustling because we got a sleeping baby in the car, and so we got like a time limit until she wakes up. So and if I can walk and check some spots, that's less chance of waking her up. So let's hit it. It's a pretty nice desk. Yeah, somebody will be happy to find that. Like a bunch of cat houses. Oh, we got another old golf bag. No golf balls this time. One pitching wedge though. Kathy Cornelius personal model. Is this good? Is this worth thousands? So like golf clubs, I find a lot of them. I just save them up until I have like 100, and I'll list them as a big lot. Somebody always buys them. Solid swing. Gramps would be proud. We got Schwinn bike tires. These look old. Look at that guy. The 90s call. It says low. Probably dry rotted, so I wouldn't feel comfortable selling them. Saw this baby swing. Our baby hated that, but I figured there might be some other stuff. Whoa. Like copper wire. Yeah, I'm just gonna take this whole box. Take some wire. See an AC unit up there. That's a big one.
Still worked the last time I had it.
Still worked? Yeah, I might grab it. And the filter needs to be cleaned for sure.
What's the name on that brand?
Gold Star.
Might even have a remote if you want.
I'll take it, yeah.
I'm gonna go look.
Yeah, thank you. Buttons all seem to work, at least like it presses.
Yeah, it's just a monster. It's hard to put in up by myself.
Yeah, we've got like a tiny little one on our first floor, and it's like, you know, a third the size of that.
Right.
So this
Yeah.
might be able to keep up.
It worked great.
Yeah, I popped the filter off. It just needs to be
Oh yeah.
cleaned out, but
Guess I didn't do too good a job keeping up on that, did I?
yeah, I mean it worked, right? Still worked.
It
so.
did. Yeah, like I said, when I grow up.
Thank you.
Yeah. Good luck. Hope it works out.
Yeah, I'm gonna pull my truck up here. So you can actually sell these boxes. It's not in the best condition. If it didn't have that rip there, you could totally sell this online for 30-40 bucks probably. What is this? A wig kit? Now he's got a vacuum system out here.
Bad scrap?
Yeah. Oh, it's an old router.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Plenty of
Well,
steel right there, man.
Hell yeah. Thank
There
you.
you go. Yeah, you're welcome.
Appreciate it. Dude, Sears Roebuck. Somebody cut the wires off. Maybe I can sell for parts though. Dude, look at those pots. Those are really nice. Ah, there's a fridge in here too. Can't believe the scrappers haven't gotten to it. Look at those stools. Those are really nice, dude. Oh, dude, that's a nice poker set. Yeah, I'm taking that. Case is a bit busted, but that's a nice set. Look at this. It's a big old chunk of aluminum. Heck yeah. I think that guy's gonna get the scrap. It's okay. There's more than enough to go around. Like there's a water jug thing right there. Dude, it's a little Tykes car. I'm taking this for my daughter. Gotta clean it up a little bit, but that still looks nice. Go backwards? Nice.
Look at you. You're driving.